Coronavirus cases dramatically rising, there are growing calls for broader use of masks, specifically young people who many of them feel they are susceptible to the virus. And as Randy Kay reports, this is not true.
On Capitol Hill, the nation's top infectious disease expert giving this disturbing prediction.
We are now having 40,000+ new cases a day. I would not be surprised if we go up to 100,000 a day if this does not turn around, and so I am very concerned.
Dr. Anthony Fauci telling a Senate Health Committee that no section of the country is safe from the coronavirus.
We're going in the wrong direction. If you look at the curves of the new cases, clearly we are not in total control right now.
And with new weekly confirmed cases increasing in at least 37 states this morning, Fauci says,
I'm very concerned about what's going on right now, particularly in the 4 states that are accounting for about 50% of the new infections.
2 of them are Florida and California, where the governors are taking different approaches on handling the drastic rise in cases within their borders. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis is still resisting taking more aggressive measures statewide to help slow the spread, as the Sunshine State added nearly 6,100 new reported cases to its tally on Tuesday.
We're not going back, closing things. I don't think that really is what's driving it. We're open. We know who we need to protect.
Meantime, in California, nearly 6,400 new infections reported. Governor Gavin Newsom sending this warning, saying tighter restrictions may be on the table as soon as today.
The framework for us is this: if you're not going to stay home and you're not going to wear masks in public, we have to enforce, and we will.
Masks are mandatory in all of California, and Newsom says it's up to local leaders to make sure residents are wearing them.
We'll be doing more to focus on enforcement in this state. Primarily, it's local enforcement.
But in Florida, facial covering rules are up to cities and counties.
Yeah, all leaders should set the example. I set the example here in Miami-Dade. I wear the mask because I want to protect you.
The CDC director telling lawmakers this very same message, asking young people to take the lead.
It is critical that we all take the personal responsibility to slow the transmission of COVID-19 and embrace the universal use of face coverings.
And despite repeated warnings against large gatherings, President Trump will attend an early Independence Day event in South Dakota Friday. Masks will not be required.
Those who want to come and join us will be giving out free face masks if they choose to wear one, but we won't be social distancing.